And I'd like to thank the government for the support in getting the approvals and making progress, as you can see. We're looking forward to hopefully getting the approval to make the first cars maybe in October if we're fortunate. This region has so much water. Look around you. No, this is completely wrong. It's like water everywhere here.
Elon Musk has unveiled a revolutionary new water engine that promises to transform the future of transportation and energy. After years of skepticism and countless innovations, Musk's latest venture sets the stage for unprecedented environmental sustainability. But what makes this water engine so unique, and how will it impact our world? Join us as we dig into the mechanics of Musk's incredible invention and explore the far-reaching implications of this game-changing technology. Elon Musk abruptly announced a big change in Tesla's course on X, formerly known as Twitter. In an unexpected turn of events following years of doubt regarding hydrogen fuel cells, Musk declared that Tesla will switch from battery power to hydrogen power, which represented a significant shift in the business plan. This announcement caught many by surprise given Musk's previous criticism of hydrogen fuel cells, which he famously called fool cells. The shift was driven by the challenges faced in mass-producing the 4,680 battery cells, prompting Tesla to reconsider its approach to sustainable energy solutions. But Musk didn't stop there. He revealed that Tesla's latest innovation, the revolutionary water engine, would be at the forefront of this transition. This groundbreaking technology promises to redefine how we think about engines, offering unprecedented environmental benefits and performance. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX, has always been driven by a commitment to cutting-edge technology and environmental sustainability. His goal is to create a future where technology enhances our lives while protecting the planet. Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, earning him a reputation as a modern-day pioneer. Musk's vision for Tesla was not just about creating electric cars, but about transforming the entire automotive industry. He aimed to prove that electric vehicles could be faster, safer, and more enjoyable to drive than their gasoline counterparts. This mission was about more than just cars. It was about accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. With SpaceX, Musk's ambitions extended beyond Earth. He envisioned making space travel more affordable and accessible, ultimately aiming to colonize Mars. SpaceX's achievements, such as the successful landing and reuse of rockets, have revolutionized the space industry, demonstrating Musk's ability to turn ambitious dreams into reality. Musk's journey in renewable energy and transportation is marked by several key milestones. Tesla, founded in 2003, initially faced skepticism as electric cars were considered impractical and inefficient. Musk's perseverance paid off. The Roadster, Tesla's first vehicle, showcased the potential of electric cars with its impressive performance and range. The subsequent releases of the Model S, Model X, Model 3 and Model Y have solidified Tesla's position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Each model brought advancements in battery technology, driving range, and autonomous driving capabilities, making electric cars increasingly viable for everyday use. Beyond vehicles, Musk's contributions to renewable energy are significant. Tesla's Powerwall and solar roof products are designed to create a sustainable energy ecosystem for homes and businesses. By integrating solar energy generation with efficient energy storage, Musk has provided practical solutions for reducing dependence on fossil fuels. In the realm of space travel, SpaceX has achieved remarkable milestones. The Falcon 9 rocket's ability to land and be reused has dramatically reduced the cost of space missions. The successful deployment of the Starlink satellite constellation aims to provide global internet coverage, further emphasizing Musk's far-reaching impact on technology and innovation. The water engine operates on a simple yet ingenious principle. It uses water to generate energy. This process fundamentally separates it from traditional combustion engines which rely on burning fossil fuels and from electric engines that depend on battery power. The engine uses a method called reverse electrolysis. In conventional electrolysis, electricity splits water, H2O, into hydrogen H and oxygen O. In reverse electrolysis, the process is flipped. Hydrogen and oxygen are combined to produce electricity, and the only byproduct is water vapor, making this an exceptionally clean technology. The mechanics behind this impressive technology involve a blend of fuel cells, reverse electrolysis, and hydrogen-oxygen reactions. In the first step, water is introduced into the system. Then, using an initial energy input, the engine splits the water into hydrogen and oxygen. These gases are stored in separate tanks. When running, hydrogen from the tank feeds into the fuel cell where it's split into protons and electrons. The electrons generate an electric current to power the vehicle's motor while protons move through a membrane combining with oxygen to produce water vapor as the only emission. This process is incredibly efficient, continuously generating electricity as long as hydrogen and oxygen are available. Compared to traditional combustion engines, 20 to 30% efficiency, and electric engines, 85 to 90% efficiency, the water engine boasts an efficiency of approximately 60%, offering a cleaner, more sustainable alternative. Its range also tackles the issue of range anxiety associated with EVs, potentially exceeding fossil fuel vehicles' capabilities. The water engine's uniqueness lies in quick refueling similar to gasoline vehicles combined with its environmental benefits, positioning it as a game-changer in the automotive industry. Economically, it could lead to cost savings due to lower maintenance and possibly cheaper fuel costs as the technology scales. However, the transition involves significant challenges. For example, developing a network for water refueling is a massive undertaking that requires substantial investment and collaboration. Handling hydrogen safely due to its flammability is critical, and navigating different countries' regulations regarding hydrogen production, storage, and transportation adds complexity. The market potential is promising, with potential adoption by environmentally conscious consumers and support from government policies aimed at reducing emissions. Nonetheless, the technology's success depends on overcoming initial hurdles in efficiency, infrastructure development, and cost. Musk's announcement has stirred both excitement and skepticism. Industry competitors like Toyota and Hyundai and startups like Rivian could potentially enter the fray either as direct competitors or potential collaborators in advancing hydrogen technology. The integration of water engines with renewable energy sources like solar and wind could revolutionize energy storage and utilization, significantly advancing global sustainability efforts and potentially reshaping energy policies towards cleaner alternatives. This technology could lead to quieter, smoother driving experiences with performance comparable to electric vehicles. It would also offer significant environmental benefits, potentially extending to the aviation, maritime, and heavy industry sectors and transforming their environmental footprints. As we explore Elon Musk's groundbreaking water engine concept, it becomes clear that this isn't just about a new way to power our vehicles. It's a leap towards a sustainable future. But what's next in Musk's innovation pipeline? Musk has consistently pushed the envelope with ventures like SpaceX aiming to make human life multiplanetary and Neuralink, which seeks to merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence. We might soon see further advancements in battery technology, perhaps even more efficient than today's standards, or breakthroughs in solar energy capture with Tesla's solar roofs. Imagine a world where space travel is as routine as air travel, where our minds can interface directly with technology, and where our cities are powered entirely by clean, renewable energy. Musk's vision often seems straight out of science fiction, but has repeatedly turned those dreams into reality. So while we wait to see if the water engine becomes a fixture on our roads, keep an eye on Musk. His next project might just be the one that changes everything we know about technology, energy, or even life itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Musk's latest innovation. Stay curious, stay informed, and here's to the future, whatever incredible form it takes.